कृषि इस शब्द के मायने क्या है? क्या खेतीबाड़ी, किसान या कुछ और? जी नहीं, कृषि वह शब्द है जिसमें सारी दुनिया समाई हुई है। यह वह क्षेत्र है जिसके बिना जीवन की कल्पना करना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि यदि कृषि न रही तो न तो जीवन रहेगा और न जीवन का अस्तित्व। इसलिए समय समय पर कृषि क्षेत्र को प्रोत्साहित करना आवश्यक है। ऐसा ही एक शानदार कदम है एग्री बिजनेस समिट और एग्री अवार्ड 2019। 27 अप्रैल 2019 को हयात होटल हैदराबाद में इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन हुआ। श्री राज अग्रवाल ने इस कार्यक्रम के आयोजन का जिम्मा उठाया।
SBI, which has recognized our efforts, they said we'll be with you, Ray Consulting. Something special who are our business partners, J Media. The entire setup you are seeing is because of J Media, the #1 in the country for movies. There's Business Sphere, Business Magazine. Then we have Agricultural World, because of whom today globally we are able to see live on Facebook. Thank you, Prishti Jagran. Then we have NAM A-Area Startup Partner. We have Lease Plan who are here from all the way to support us. Then thanks Dr. Praveen Rao being our Agricultural University partner. Then we have a new young company called AgroStar. They are all the way with us. We have Masura, we have Sanya Group, we have Thakur Chemicals, we have Shri Bioaesthetics, Pratishtha. These people, without asking, they said, Raj, we are with you. And then IFCO MC, IFCO, the globe's largest fertilizer company, but a young company in the form of MC is with us. And then the company which gives weather to the country is SkyMet Weather. And we have Agastya, we have Nova Agritech. Thank you, my friends, sponsors and event partners. Will quickly honor my panel speakers.
So if you want agriculture to prosper and give back money to the farmer, I think soil organic carbon and water have to be looked at very closely.
Well, even assuming we have a fair amount of water and improve our topsoil, like I mentioned it earlier, the climate change is going to have a serious impact on an unexpected basis. We just saw the hailstorms in the north in the middle of the summer, and then some of this is not uncommon in the last few years. So we have no one better than Dr. Venkatesh to talk about that after he has led multiple institutions with this background and so therefore how do we handle the climate change for enhancing farmers' incomes by agriculture?
One of the major obstacles in my view in achieving our goal of doubling farmers' income is obviously the climate issue. And many times, in Maharashtra, when I was the Vice Chancellor, I got a survey done by about 10,000 farmers. And when we asked them straight away, please list topmost 5 issues that are bothering you.
Good evening, everyone. So actually, I want to discuss about micronutrients. Everybody is discussing about yielding increase, everything. They are discussing about fertilizer, agri inputs, pest control, everything. But all are forgetting the micronutrients. In India also, what happened? All larger companies, they are not marketing, they are not producing any nutrients. Because of that, what happened in awareness of the nutrients is very low into farmers. Actually, my feel that micronutrients is more important, equally important than fertilizer, because of the quality and quantity of the inputs what we are using that day. So when a farmer has a 1,000-acre field of cotton, his level of risk is very different from a kitchen garden. So use of agrochemical is as important as a chemotherapy drug in that sense.
Farmers' income by producing twice the amount of quantity. If you did produce twice the amount of quantity, the price would go up and you earn less. You can only double the farmer's income by giving him a better price for what he produces.
And it's important that the government has a mechanism or set up something that oversees this, something like what United States Department of Agriculture has, which oversees, there's a big body that oversees end-to-end that happens, so you can ensure beforehand you take the steps to correct deficiencies that occur.
तेलंगाना के कृषि मंत्री सिंगी रेड्डी निरंजन रेड्डी की उपस्थिति ने कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई।
Constantly, I've converted into almost reduce the usage of pesticides and fertilizers. Reduce in the sense, irrational usage is arrested, stopped, and then I got certification. Now they are qualified for export. The first consignment of mangoes to Europe was sent yesterday, and the first hot water treatment plant that was set up here, Balanagar of Aswan University. Day before yesterday, I only inaugurated it. It is set up by one of the horticulture scientists. He was in England for almost a period of 18 years, and he came back and he set up his back house with hot water treatment plant facility, ripening chamber, ethylene ripening chamber, without ethylene ripening chamber, and then shipping to European countries through cargo, and it is close to international airport. So I am very happy that I took it as a challenge to see that let me show and prove to the other farmers that there is a possibility for exporting our own mangoes, our own products. And more particularly, my mango is very famous because it comes from Colombo, India.
उन्होंने वहां मौजूद कृषि क्षेत्र की हस्तियों को पुरस्कृत किया। इस अवार्ड में सभी एंटरप्रेन्योर को सफल सुरक्षा में सफलता के वैश्विक मानकों में सबसे बेहतर होने के लिए एक मंच दिया गया और विजेताओं को यह राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर प्रेरित करेंगे। इस आयोजन में कृषि जागरण भी इवेंट पार्टनर की भूमिका में था। कृषि जागरण ने इस पूरे इवेंट को कवर किया। यह अवार्ड ग्रामीण किसानों के उत्थान और कृषि इनपुट उद्योग द्वारा किए गए प्रयासों को पहचानने का एक मंच है। इस कृषि पुरस्कार में उन संगठनों, उद्यमों और व्यक्तियों की सफलता की कहानियां दिखाई गई जो कृषि को बढ़ावा दे रही है।